Top 5 Best Desktop Oscilloscope in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. ZEEWEII DSO3D12 3.2-inch Desktop Digital Oscilloscope. This DSO3D12 120mm bandwidth oscilloscope, with very low price and excellent performance, like adopt ARM and FPGA chip collocation, also includes a high-accuracy true RMS multimeter and a 2.5-volt signal generator. Fully automatic measurement mode is supported. Come on and try it, it will not let you down. Features: adopts ARM and FPGA chip collocation, provides high-speed signal acquisition and high-speed data processing to give you a smooth use experience and rich functions. Wide applications can be used for such as single-chip debugging, car maintenance, home appliance maintenance, DIY debugging, electronic competition, power supplies debugging, frequency converter, and so on. Built-in high-precision multimeter, support voltage, current, resistance, diode, continuous, capacitor. The multimeter is isolated from the oscilloscope. The accuracy is high and it is also supported for fast calibration. The bottom of the oscilloscope can output a variety of waveforms of 2-point amplitude such as sine waves, square waves, triangle waves, half waves, sing waves, which the frequency adjustment ranges is 0 to 2 MHz. There are 14 measurement options available. Frequency, peak to peak, duty cycle, amplitude, RMS, average, period, plus pulse width, minus pulse width, max, min, top duty cycle. Number 5. Owon SDS1Leno2 Digital Oscilloscope 5 mV DIV 2-channel Robust connectivity options. Connect to a PC or other devices with USB host and device capabilities, plus a frequency counter for added functionality. Dual-channel capability. Simultaneously monitor 2 signals with the SDS1Leno2's dual-channel functionality for comprehensive testing. Extensive automatic measurement. Perform a variety of measurements with the SDS1Leno2, including VPP, VVG, and RMS for efficient troubleshooting. Large 7-inch TFT display. A 7-inch high-resolution TFT screen offers a clear, easy-to-read display for detailed waveform analysis. High bandwidth and sampling rate. Capture intricate details with 100 MHz bandwidth and a 1 sampling rate for precise signal analysis.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.